Guys, check these panels out. These fit a 1987 to 1991 Ford truck or Bronco. These panels are ours and they are actively for sale on our website. Just like everything in our shop, these were completely tore apart. So the inserts came off, the speaker grill came out, the old armrest got thrown away. We took this guy off, we threw the old brushing out, we took these little guys off, and everything went through, completely cleaned up, located all the damages. There were bunches of cracks in here, there were some cracks behind here, crack in here. Some of the mounts on the back were all cracked up. You guys know what these old panels go through, but we find all those damages and we take care of it properly. Everything gets completely repaired, plastic repaired, fabrication is one of our specialties. And after that, we went ahead, deep cleaned them, chemical prep. We recolored them in a true professional coloring that's unlike spray cans, unmatched in durability. We have videos about that too. And these are black. The lighting might look a little bit weird with the LED lights in here, but this is a nice natural looking black. So if you were to get in a newer car today, it'd be, you know, that nice natural black looking plastic panels. This is going to be very similar to that. The inserts, we reupholstered these in genuine Alcantara suede. This is a charcoal black color. The trims were these and this guy were originally chrome. Those got cleaned, prepped, and all of that. And we went ahead and did those in a high gloss, polished out black. We replaced the brushing. We did that little guy too. Armrests are brand new in a beautiful European leather with a nice black double stitch on there. These panels are absolutely stunning and they can be picked up right on our website. We have over 19 hours of vigorous restoration into these. If you have any questions on these guys, definitely hit us up. If you want to buy them, hit up obsinteriors.com. And I'll be a little sad to see these go, because I gotta say, they are definitely some favorites. They also have, let me take this guy off, new padding on the rear and new speaker cloth. So like that guy got fixed, this got fixed, along with several other ones on both panels. These are ready to install, ready to ship. We don't typically have interiors or panels for sale. It's not our shop's main focus, but we kind of ended up with these a few years ago and have, over the last year or so, been slowly picking away at them. And we decided that it was time to let them go. Finish them up and list them. So anyways, like I said, obsinteriors.com. These things are absolutely stunning and they can be yours.